Miss Christina, and I have this month's take-home bat craft. Everything you need will be in the bag that you got at the library to take home. The only thing that you'll need from home will be tape or glue. So you'll take the roll that came in your bag, and then you're going to go ahead and just glue or tape the black construction paper to the roll. After that, you will take the roll and the pipe cleaner, and you'll see two holes in the roll, and you're going to go ahead and just punch the pipe cleaner right through those holes, just one end of it. Just like that. And then you'll just hook the edge onto the roll like that for the bat's feet. And then we're going to shape the ends of the pipe cleaners into little, looks like candy canes, to hang the bat when we're done. Next, you'll take the bat's wings and then you will glue it onto the back of your bat or tape it. Just like that. And next we're going to take the bat's ears and glue those right onto the bat. Okay, so I'm gonna put the ears right on the top of his little head. And then I did put glue on the back of the bat's mouth. And then you'll just go ahead and press that on the bat. And then next, we're going to put glue where we want the bat's eyes. All right, my friends, and that's what your bat will look like when he or she is completed. And what you can do is go ahead and hang your bat, maybe on one of your books at home. Because bats do sleep upside down. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed your craft.